Hi and welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to solve equations involving algebraic fractions. Don't worry, we're going to do this exactly step by step so you fully understand how to do this. And if you stick around till the end, you're going to be sure you're confident in doing this. So let's look at this. We've got x plus 3 all over 4 equals 2. And I ask you to solve for x. Easy peasy. Let's smash this out. Okay, so we want to isolate the x. So what we want to do is get rid of this 4. It is a divide on this side, so when you move it across, it becomes multiplied. So left hand side is just x plus 3. Right hand side becomes 2 times 4, which we could work out is 8. Final step, we just need to get rid of this 3. So x is by itself on the left, it's a positive on the left, so when you move it across, it becomes a negative. So x is 8 take 3, and 8 take 3 is 5. Boom. So that was nice and easy, getting us warmed up. Everyone feeling good, hopefully. You could sub 5 back in to check you get the right answer. So 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 divided by 4 is 2, so it does work. So we're feeling good. We know we're on the right track. Okay, let's go a bit harder. Level 2. So 4x take 2 on 3 equals 2. 3x take 1 on 2. Okay, let's give this bad boy a go. If you're feeling good, if you're feeling confident, feel free to pause this video, have a bit of a go and type in your answer and we'll go through it in a second. Okay, welcome back. Hopefully you gave this a bit of a go. So the first step is we want to get rid of these fractions. So what we just do is cross multiply. You're going to bring that 2 across there and that 3 across there. And we're going to use brackets. So we're going to write 2 and then this in brackets and 3 and this in brackets. So let's do that. Let's have some fun. So that 2 we're going to bring to that side. So it's 2 brackets 4x take 2. And this 3 we're going to bring to this side. And make sure you use your brackets. 3x take 1. Okay, now let's expand the bracket. So that times that and then that times that. So 2 times 4x is 8x. 2 times neg 2 is neg 4. And then that times that, which is 9x. That times that, which is minus 3. Okay, next we want to bring x's on one side and pronumerals on the other side. So this 9x, it's positive on this side, so let's bring it to the left. So all my x's are on the left, and so it will be negative. So the left hand side is 8x. Take 4, take 9x, and it equals to neg 3. And this neg 4, we're going to bring to this side. So we have 8x take 9x equals minus 3 plus 4. Because it's negative on the left, so when you bring it to the right, it becomes positive. Okay, now we could solve this. So 8x take 9x is negative 1x, which we just write as neg 1. Neg 3 plus 4 is 1. Okay, and I don't want to know what negative x is. I want to know what x is. Remember, negative x means just neg 1 here. So we're going to divide both sides by neg 1, or just bring neg 1 across. 1 divided by neg 1 is negative 1. That sounds a bit funny, but we should have got x as negative 1. So that was a bit more challenging. Hopefully you were able to follow through. Do let me know if I went a bit too fast or a bit too slow. If you got that right, well done. I really want to hear from you on the comment section because it was a bit tricky. So excellent work if you got it right. Okay, before we wrap up, let's do one more. Let's do a harder one. Okay, suppose we have x plus 2 on 3 take 2x take 1 on 2 equals to 4. Okay, so this one is a bit trickier. So feel free to maybe give this a bit of a go. Pause the video, you might want to try a bit, and then we'll go through it. Okay, so welcome back. Some of you may have had a go at this. So let's try solve this, and what we need to do first is combine this as a single fraction. So I have made a few videos about these before, and I'll link it here, but make sure you check them out. But I'll give you a quick recap of what you do. You cross multiply, so we're going to do that times that, take that times that, and that will be on the numerator, and then the denominator would have those two. Okay, so let's just write that out. So step one is going to be that times that. So we have 2 brackets x plus 2, and then we have our take, and then we're going to do that times that. So take 3 brackets 2x take 1, and on my denominator it's those two, which is 6, and that equals to 4. Okay, next we can multiply out our bracket, so we're going to do that times that, which is 2x, that times that, which is positive 4, that times that, which is negative 6x, and be careful of this one, double negatives, neg 3 times neg 1 is positive 3. All over 6 equals to 4. Okay, like terms we're going to collect, so 2x take 6x is negative 4x, and 4 plus 3 is positive 7. All over 6 equals to 4. Okay, this looks a lot easier. We could solve this now. We just need to bring this 6 across to this side. So we have neg 4x plus 7 equals 4 multiplied by 6, because it was a divide on the left, so when you move it to the right it becomes multiply. Neg 4x plus 7, 4 times 6, 24. Okay, then we're going to bring this 7 across, so that becomes take 7. So we've got neg 4x is 24 take 7. 24 take 7 is 17. And then we want to get rid of this neg 4, so you're going to divide both sides by negative 4. Be careful of the sign, okay? So 17 divided by negative 4 is just negative 17 on 4. We just put the negative on the numerator. Whenever you have a negative, always put it on the numerator. So let me just show you all that working out for that one. So that was a bit of a tricky one. I'll do 3 more in a different video, very similar to this, that I'll link to the end screen of this. Make sure you check it out. Hopefully you feel good, you feel like you've learned something, you've had some fun. Those were a bit more challenging, so good work if you were able to follow through, if you're feeling confident, and just for watching a bit of maths on social media. It's so good, so good. Hope you're enjoying this, hope you're learning. Let me know if you found that helpful, and I will be sure to catch you next time. Bye-bye.